The Little Bunny's Big Adventure. Once upon a time, in a meadow filled with electric green grass, lived a bunny named Benny. Benny loved big adventures. He woke up and felt so wiggly that he just had to move. Can you wiggle your nose like Benny? Now, let's go. Can you hop, hop, hop like a little bunny? As Benny hopped along, he heard a very sad sound coming from a mossy rock. Tweet, tweet, sob. It was a tiny blue bird named Pip. Pip was looking all around the ground with a worried face. Can you make a sad tweet, tweet sound like Pip? Benny sat down and asked. What's wrong, Pip? Pip sniffed and said, I lost my favorite shiny feather. It's bright and twinkly, and I can't find it anywhere. Benny smiled and thumped his foot. Don't worry, Pip. I will help you find it. We can go on a big adventure together. Pip felt a little better already. Benny and Pip started their search. They went through the tall, tickly grass. Benny hopped high to see over the blades, and Pip flew in little circles. Are you ready to help? Let's hop, hop, hop along with Benny and Pip. Benny looked under a giant, floppy green leaf. He lifted it up with his paws and peeked underneath. Is it here? He asked. But there were only 3 sleepy ladybugs. Benny let the leaf go gently so they could keep napping. Can you crawl low like a bunny looking under a leaf? Pip flew over the bubbling blue stream. The water went splash and gurgle. Pip looked into the sparkles, hoping to see the shiny feather. I see something shiny, Pip chirped, but it was just a smooth, wet pebble. Can you make a splash sound with your hands? Suddenly, Benny looked up at a very tall sunflower. It was reaching for the sky. Right in the middle of the yellow petals, something was catching the light. It was twinkling and shimmering. Look, Pip, up there, Benny pointed with his fuzzy paw. Pip flew to the very top of the sunflower. There it was. The shiny feather was caught in the petals. Pip grabbed it in his beak and flew down to Benny. They did it. They found the treasure. Let's celebrate together. Everyone shout, hooray! Pip was so happy he did a little dance. Thank you, Benny. You are the best friend ever. Benny felt very warm and fuzzy inside. Helping a friend was the best adventure of all. Can you clap your hands for the 2 new friends? Clap, clap, clap. The sun began to set, painting the sky in pink and orange. It was time for Benny to go back to his cozy burrow. Goodbye, Pip, Benny called out. Goodbye, Benny, Pip chirped. They waved to each other as the stars began to twinkle. Can you wave goodbye to Benny and Pip?